Hi. So we got our second snack crate, and yes, the box is a lot smaller. If you didn't notice, this was the first one, and this is the second one. I have no clue why we have a extremely different sized box, because we did not change our plan from the medium-sized box.
Maybe something just went wrong?
Things did change there, so I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt, because originally when we ordered this one, there was 3 options, and you got to choose from the different options. And this time, when I was waiting to order it, there was never the option to choose which country you wanted. And so I kept, so I messaged one of the little help chat box and was like, what's going on? Why can't I choose a box type? And they said that they are doing box types of the month, and they will no longer be having 3 separate countries, and just everyone will be sent the same country. I'm assuming that's probably for expense saving. And if they are trying to save expenses, that could be why the boxes are smaller. I'm hoping it is just a more condensed box. But if this happens to be the case where we ended up getting the smaller one when we paid for the larger one, I'm most likely going to revoke my services and not order from them again. So this may be the last snack crate. And the box is damaged at the bottom, right here. So that's fun. That was probably not their fault, but that's just something I noticed. And this one is taped. I don't remember if the last one was. I think it was probably taped. So none of us know what is in this box. Last time I ended up spilling and telling Adam what was in it in advance. Well, this time I have no clue, because they said there was a way you could find it out, but I was unable to locate it. So this box is from Germany.
No, lovely.
Which is fun, because I have German heritage, and so I know that German makes amazing chocolate. This month's crate is from Germany, capital Berlin. Established February 2nd, 962 AD, English. There's a huge population, a huge area, a bunch of photos, pretty stuff. I'll read the fun facts. I won't read the about, just because my computer only has so much battery. So we're going to try to make this a little quick. Germany has the largest economy in Europe. There are over 150 castles in Germany. Oh, that's cool. 65% of the German Autobahn highway system has no speed limit. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That sounds scary. German is the official language of 5 countries: Germany, Switzerland, Australia, Luxembourg, and Liechtenstein. Okay. The first book printed with movable type in Europe, the Gutenberg Bible, was printed in Mainz. And when JFK visited Berlin, he famously told a crowd, "Ich bin I Berliner," which roughly translates to, "I am a jelly donut." That's cute. I like that little fact.
To be fair, what he meant to say is, I am a Berlin resident. It's just that a Berliner happens to be, it's just that a Berliner happens to, well, not...
And some more country stickers. You can keep talking, I'm just showing them the stickers.
It's just that a Berliner happens to not be the way to say that.
Alright. So this is what is supposed to be in our box. We should have 12 items, and if we don't, I'm going to be really mad. So let's get going. Let's open the box. Open the box. Yeah, this looks really small. I do not think we got the right one, which is really, really annoying to me. Especially since this was $26. For $26, I should not be getting the smallest box. So,
Wow.
There's 7 items. I'm pretty sure we got this more. At least I think. No, there might be more. I don't know. Okay. So we have the Erdnub Locken Classic type of chip. That's right here. It's a salty puffed corn snack made with real peanuts. These are seriously addictive. I'm glad we're warned.
Yay.
So, here's the package. Oh, way too close to your face there.
Is it bad that I kind of just really wanted to send us a jelly donut now?
They taste like mild peanut butter.
Well, they certainly taste like peanuts.
I mean, they're good, but peanut butter's better. Next. Hummus ketchup. So, basically french fries with ketchup already on them. Right?
Mm.
Oh, these are from the bottom one. Cool. We have everything. They just downsized material. Awesome. We're going to continue service then. So these are the XOX hummus ketchup. Crispy potato fries flavored with ketchup. I love ketchup, so I'm probably going to eat this whole bag. Oh. They smell a little weird. Ready?
What is that?
I don't know. Just eat it. Okay, so at first it tasted like ketchup, and then it tasted really sugary, and then it tasted, I don't know.
Well, if they wanted to make it taste like ketchup, I guess it relatively does.
I mean, it's kind of like the peanut butter. I mean, it tastes kind of like it, but just ketchup with fries is better. Alright, so next is gonna be these. Hanuta Hazelnusswinate. I'll pretend that's how that's pronounced. I probably should be having Adam read these since he actually knows how to pronounce German words.
Yeah, no, you really should. But it's just funnier this way.
Here, pronounce it correctly.
I kind of don't want to.
Because you can't.
See, they don't know whether or not I can, but they definitely know that you can.
You're a jerk. Let me insult you. Okay, so rich chocolate hazelnut filling sandwich between two light and crispy wafers. So it sounds like it's going to be a Nutella kind of treat.
I really don't want that. But I'll try that. Really not, I don't know, I just kind of...
Aww. It's wrapped, and then it has this cute little, like, gold wrapping, like a Reese's piece. Here, there's two of them. You can get one, and I can. Yeah, so do I. That's why I don't want you to do them all.
Chocolate.
It's not. It's Nutella.
That's chocolate.
Hazelnut spread. Hazelnut is not cocoa.
You said Nutella. Nutella's chocolate.
No, it's not. It's hazelnut and cocoa.
Cocoa's chocolate.
But it also has hazelnut.
I don't like. Fine.
Okay, I like this more than I like Nutella. Do you like it?
I definitely don't.
Okay, it's mine. Put it in the thing.
Yeah. Yeah, it starts off hazelnut, but then the strong piece of chocolate invaded.
Yeah, I don't really taste the chocolate that much. Okay. That, I really like that. That tasted really good. Like I said, I like that better than actual Nutella. Okay. So next is this one that's just kind of jumping out at me. Bala Bala.
Ooh, what's that?
Looks like a kind of hard candy. Haribo Pico Bala Bala Bala. Colorful fruit-flavored gummy candies cut to bite-sized pieces. So maybe they'll be like gummy bear kind of thing?
I hope so.
Hopefully better than gummy bears.
They look like they have a filling.
Yeah, they do. So there's four colors. There's this little green one with that little filling. There's this pink one. Keep forgetting where the camera is. And then there's this weird, well, not weird. This weird, which there's not a lot of these in there, brownish yellow one. And then there's this yellow one. With my luck, the brownish yellow one's my favorite because I normally like the flavors that they don't have a lot of. So we're going to try each of the flavors. Because normally we don't. Like, in the last video, we didn't try each of the videos on camera, and so I want to, like, remedy that. Here you go. 4 for you, 4 for me. You can choose which colors we eat in what order.
Yellow one, I guess.
Okay.
It's chewy.
Well, it's a gummy candy. It's lemon. Obviously.
Down, girl.
I like it. Sorry, our dog's trying to beg.
I mean, not effectively. She...
Henceforth trying to beg. Which one next? The brown one?
Yes. It's like a burnt Twinkie.
What is that?
It tastes like Coca-Cola.
Yeah. Cats! I guess there's Coke flavored one. That was actually pretty good. I mean, again, Coke's better, but tasted good for like a Coke candy.
Sorry.
Which one did you eat?
The green one.
Chula! She almost took the pink one out of my hand.
Chula. Sit.
Is that lime?
Down. Sit.
Yeah, that's lime.
There's lime. There's lime AF.
So lemon, lime, and Coke. Alright, no, strawberry. I'm assuming. Well, you started ahead of me. You should have been done first.
I speak better German than you do.
I've never studied the language.
I know. I know. Wow.
Is that strawberry? No, it's strawberry.
It's strawberry cream.
I don't like that one. At all.
It tastes like a strawberry daiquiri.
No.
Well, I didn't say it was a good taste.
I like the Coke one, the lemon one, and I'm unsure on the lime one. But I know I don't like the pink one. I wonder how lemon lime would taste, because I like lemon lime soda. Okay. Next is Knoppers. Hazelnut. So it's probably going to be another one I like and he doesn't. Tasty nougat. Oh, I love nougat. Cream, roasted hazelnuts, and milk cream sandwiched between 2 crispy wafers. No cocoa mentioned.
Let me see that. Oh, come on. But the cracker's chocolate.
Oh, you can't win. Okay. Those wafer crackers in America. I don't know what they're called. Do you know what I'm talking about? They're like this type of stuff with like a filling in them. I don't like them all that much, but that's exactly what this tastes like to me. I guess that says his opinion on it.
Ew, it does.
Okay. There's a bunch of these little candies. I don't know if I can show you those. Like this. They are, oh, this one. Okay. Cool, exclamation point. Soft Kaban Bon. Soft and chewy candy, variety of flavors of fruit. Okay. There's strawberry, peach, strawberry, cherry, and green apple. I don't want to open all of these in one sitting. So I guess let's do the strawberry and the peach. Take a bite of one, pass it to me, and then take a bite of the one I eat. I pass it to you. Okay. This is really good.
I like this.
Very chewy though, which I mean, not a bad thing. It's just going to take us a while to eat it. Okay.
I like this.
I don't like peach as much as a flavor, so I didn't like as much as the strawberry, but I liked the strawberry. I normally don't like artificial strawberry flavors, and I don't know, it didn't taste super gross or super artificially. I mean, I guess it did, but I don't know. I liked it. That's all I know.
Nice. I like it. It's pretty good.
Those are very good. That's my critique. Cake. We got cake. Kutchenmeister Marmor Snack. Delicious slices of marble sponge cake flavored with chocolate and vanilla.
Kutchenmeister.
This is gonna be heaven. I am so excited.
Kutchenmeister. Nice.
Okay. Oh, and it comes in 4 little pieces. That's so cute.
Why is it I never have any luck?
Because chocolate is popular.
I want that piece.
Mm-mm.
I want that piece.
No.
It has less chocolate in it.
You're a dick. Okay, this is good. It's a little dry, but that would be that's expected from packaged cake.
Packaged cake.
The flavor is amazing. I like it. I like it a lot.
Delicious cake.
What do you think?
Other than the chocolate, it's nice. Fair.
Oh, okay. I'm going to take these away from you so you don't eat them all. This looks amazing. It looks like a banana chocolate granola bar, which sounds delicious to me. Corny Big Shakoto Banane. Sure. A rich candy bar made of whole grain and banana pieces dipped in milk chocolate. This sounds like my dream. And you were right there.
Yeah.
I don't want to share it.
That literally means chocolate banana.
I'm so excited. Oh, it looks so yummy! So it's just this cute little like banana pieces and chocolate on the other side. Okay. Tastes like a Laffy Taffy. Like, okay.
Ooh.
It tastes like a Laffy Taffy 95% of the time, and then you get a 5% taste of chocolate.
Smells like a Laffy Taffy.
It tastes basically exactly like a Laffy Taffy. And then at like the very end, there's just this chocolate flavor. It's a little disappointing. I was hoping for a real banana flavor, not a Laffy Taffy banana flavor, which I like banana Laffy Taffies. It's just, I was expecting banana flavor, not artificial banana flavor, and even though I like both, I'm a little disappointed because I was super excited for banana flavor. So don't get me wrong, I'm still going to devour it, but just not as, I would have probably eaten it all in one sitting right here if it tasted like real bananas. This is Ritter Sport Mini Bunter mix. Tasty mini chocolate bars in a variety of flavors, something for everyone. We got... Jula, you can't eat chocolate. I'm sorry I dropped it, but go away. 2 flavors in German that I can't pronounce or read. So we're going to have Adam try to read these. What's the blue one say and what's the white one say?
Yogurt.
So it's yogurt flavored?
It's yogurt filled. Edelwollmilch. Ariba cacao. Milk chocolate, I think.
Mm-hmm. My favorite kind of chocolate. I mean, I'm going to eat this one too, but... No. Okay, since I know I like milk chocolate, I'll save that one and I'll open this one on screen. I just got excited because I love milk chocolate. I'm not a big fan of Hershey's, though. I don't feel like Hershey's chocolate is all that good. Oh, it's in its little pips. That's cute. So, I bit it off centered on purpose to show you the little yogurt on the inside. This is very, very good. I could eat myself sick on a bar of these. It's very, very rich. Very, very good. Next is a Yes bar, which is explained as soft chocolate cake filled, with rich chocolate cream and covered in chocolate. So another one Adam's not going to eat.
Yeah, I'm sitting that one out.
Don't worry. I'll force you to eat the ones that are mildly chocolatey, but this one is just chocolate with chocolate in it, wrapped in chocolate. So obviously you're not going to eat it. Ooh. It's the consistency of a Twinkie. Or like a ho-ho. That turns me off from it. Just a little bit. Cool. It's a ho-ho.
A ho-ho?
I don't like ho-ho.
It's a German ho-ho.
But it's just as gross as a ho-ho. So if you like ho-hos, you'll love this. Ugh. Ugh. Okay. Sorry. I don't actually have a drink today to, like, clean my palate, so. Ugh. I just shoved a bunch of other foods down my face. So I only have 2 items left. Bueno. Which is probably definitely not how that's pronounced because I just said Spanish, not German words. So it is layers of delicious crispy wafer filled with a rich hazelnut cream and coated in milk chocolate. I'm tired of wafers. There's a lot of wafery stuff in here. I guess I just really like wafers. Oh, they come individually packaged. Cool. If I could get it out. Oh, okay. And so there's 4 pieces per package. Oh, wow. It's very, very crumbly. Oh, it's connected, so it's 2 pieces per package. Oh. A very, very, very strong Nutella flavor. It's good, but not sure if it's my favorite. Yeah, it's just a very strong Nutella flavor. I guess this tastes a lot more like Nutella the more I eat it. Okay, the last item that I've been saving, because I have no clue how we're about to taste test this, is a lollipop. Cool Harlequin Pop. An extra large lollipop with a chewy gum core, sour grape filling, and coated with little candy bites. I'm not the biggest fan of artificial grape, so Adam might be eating the majority of this.
Oh boy.
That is super cute, though. I feel like lollipops are really hard to taste test on camera, though. Those are like nerds. So yeah, the topping is basically nerds.
I want it.
Oh wow, that's a bigger bite than I expected. Yeah. Oh, you didn't take as much out of it as I thought you did.
Yeah. Have the rest of these.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure. 22 of them left.
Okay. Oh god. I'm gonna eat those after we finish the lollipop. Going from sweet to ketchup, kind of gross. I can't get through the white part. It did say sour grape though, so maybe I'll like it. My battery is at I have about 50 minutes left. We should be fine. This just reminded me of a Jawbreaker.
I think that's more or less what it is.
It's a cool Harlequin Pop. Oh. Bent it. I might pause until we get further down. Hi. Okay, so I decided I wanted to talk about these a little bit because I started munching on them because we're trying to get through this stupid lollipop. Well, it's not stupid. Like, I don't want to criticize it if it's a candy you like. It's just, it's really hard to get through because it's like, kind of like a gobstopper. Gobstopper?
Gobstopper? Yeah, that works.
Yeah, kind of like a gobstopper. Anyways, these, I'm going to describe them as basically if peanut butter and popcorn had a child. Because it doesn't have the, like, buttery stuff, but it's like, the texture is kind of like a popcorn, I guess. More like a Cheeto. But it's just the thought of me is it's like if peanut butter and popcorn had a baby for some reason. I don't know, that's what came into my mind. So I'm opening the cherry one. I've decided that this is definitely one of my favorites. This is a very delicious type of taffy. Do you want to eat the other half?
Yes. Ah!
Your whole tongue is white.
Ah.
The film on the candy is coming off on his face. You can see it like in the corner of his mouth here, and here. And on my finger now. Pretty white. I don't know if you can see it. I'm too white. Adam, put some on your skin and show them.
I don't wanna. Fine.
What do you think of what you just ate? Yeah, that comes like off of the pop. I don't know if I like the fact that it like coats everything. What do you think of the cherry?
I like it.
Me too. I want to eat the other two. I'm gonna eat the strawberry one. These are so good. I almost ate the wrapper. Okay, I'm gonna go away now. So I gave it to my dog's begging, and I gave her the strawberry of the halabala, and she put it in her mouth, spat it out, picked it up, chewed on it a little bit, spat it out, picked it back up, and finished it off. I'm pretty sure the only reason she just ate that is because of that little like white filling. She spit it out twice before finishing it. So that was fun. Okay, I don't know how well you can see it. I'm really bad at this camera stuff. Oh god, okay, hand, how does this work? Trying to like, there we go. Can you see that? Yeah, perfect. So you see the orange and the blue? I'm really bad at this. There, that was so much easier than I was doing. So we're finally getting past, I guess it's green, the white part. So that's cool. I've mostly been having him eat it because I wasn't really liking the white part. So what is the flavor changing to? Has it changed at all yet?
It's changed, but I can't identify what it is.
Okay, so it is basically Gosstopper because Gosstoppers have like the different layers of color and flavor. So we'll see where this ends up. We have officially discovered the fourth layer. So it appears to go white, green, orange, and then this weird brown color? Maybe purple? So we're making progress. Well, he's making progress. Okay. He bit it. I heard a minor crack, and he said, ow. I think we've succeeded. So we are at the gum. So, oh. It tastes I know my battery's low. Like any other cheap dollar store gum. Like what it reminds me of the most is those old, okay. Okay. Younger people aren't going to know what I'm talking about. But there was those big machines with the little swirly thing, and you'd put a quarter in, twist the dial, and these big gum balls would come swirling down. That's what this gum tastes like.
One of those little coin machines?
No, it was bigger than that. And it had balls about that big, maybe? That big? And there was like pink and white and green and blue and all these different colors. And it was just these gumball machines. Big gum machines. And when you'd put the thing down, it would like spiral down. The place I remember them being was I live in Kansas City. It was a place called Lucky's Chinese Buffet. And before leaving, me and my sister would always get a gum piece from there and watch it spin down the thing. And that was our like best part, like watching it spin down the thing. So,
what it tastes like?
What?
The pink gum that's in those yellow wrappers with the blue and red on the very outside of it.
Hubba Bubba?
Oh.
I think that's what it is. Cat, no, you cannot get into my chocolate. Well, since the battery's running low, all we have time for now is our favorites, and then we're going to head off. I need you, Adam. My favorites, for sure, were the chocolate and the gummy thingy, which were the Ritter Sport Mini Bunter Mix and the, where is it? Cool Soft Kabanban. What were your favorites? Or favorite?
Well, I kind of like the ketchup things.
Oh yeah, we finished off both of these in the midst of this video. So I'd say those were pretty good. So the ketchup thing was your favorite?
And these things.
And then we both liked the Kabanbans. So that was our haul. That was the snack crate. And they shrunk the boxes to save money. They changed it where you don't get the choice of picking from 3 different countries. They now assign a country. But I still like it. I'm still happy. I'm still going to keep the service. I am a little worried about one showing up while we're not here. So I might have to cancel for next month. Because if it shows up while we're on winter break, someone's probably going to steal it. What do you think? Do you want to risk losing $26 or do you want to cancel it?
Nope.
So we will see you in 2 months. And it was really fun eating a bunch of candy for you guys. Have a good day.